Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to move junk mail to inbox in Outlook, so you never miss an important email again. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your junk email folder in Outlook, which is located in the left sidebar under your email folders. This folder automatically stores messages that Outlook thinks are spam or suspicious. Checking this folder helps you find emails that may have been filtered by mistake. Step 2. Find and right-click on the email you want to move back to your inbox. Right-clicking opens a menu with different actions you can take on that message. This allows you to manage and organize your emails quickly. Step 3. Hover your mouse over the Move option in the menu to see additional settings. The junk option controls how Outlook treats unwanted or suspicious emails. This step is important because it gives you control over spam filtering. Step 4. Select Inbox from the menu, and the email will automatically move back to your main inbox folder. Once moved, you can read, reply to, or organize the message as needed. This ensures important emails are no longer treated as junk. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.